So guys, welcome back to the channel, One Key Car Garage. It's been a while. However, today we're going to be talking about tire pressure, all right? And as we can see, the rear passenger tire is low. So we're going to address that with our trusty Iker, I-K-E-R, and this is a 2-cylinder air compressor. Those are the specs on it. All right, I've had this for a minute. It's performed wonderfully. So today we're gonna break it out and show you guys how we address that tire on the back. This kit was purchased off Amazon, and I believe it was under $100, but it's been a while, guys. So far so good. It comes in this nifty bag here, all right, and in that bag it comes with some accessories. All right, well, on the unit, the main hookups here, you're gonna have the piece that connects to the inflator to inflate the tire there, and it also comes with a flashlight on the front. We have our on and off switch. We have our gauge, display gauge. You can change the units to measure. All right. And the other attachment that comes on this is going to be a piece that goes directly into your accessory or cigarette lighter port. This entire kit comes with a toolkit inside of it. All right, inside that toolkit we have an extra hose here. We also have this piece here that can connect to an external power source. All right, so you just go ahead, hook it up to that. All right, and then from here you can just connect these two to a battery. All right, guys. So it could be a battery from another vehicle. It could be an external auxiliary battery that you have to power that device. And in the toolkit, we have our usual tire repair tools here. All right, some emergency tools. We have our different attachments. We have a patch. All right. Rubber glue. Comes with a instruction manual as well. All right, guys, so just wanted to show you that. This is one of the more complete ones that I've come across, and I've used it continuously rather than go to a gas station and wait on a million people to finish using or figuring out how to use the free air. You can have your own, and as we have here, you can use it at your own convenience at your own home. All right, guys, so we're gonna hook it up and show you that portion of the operation. All right, guys, and as you can see, that light flashing on us right there. All right, One Key, back at you. So guys, first thing is first, we hook it up. And I like the length of this power cord here, because it allows you to get the unit outside of the vehicle. In this case, we took it through the passenger side. All right, hold on. So guys, we're gonna go ahead, put this piece up here. Pardon me, I'm doing this with one hand, guys. Alright, hold on. So guys, as I try to play off this embarrassment here, as you can see, this valve stem here is damaged around the tip. So, and by the way, that's the extender. So when you try to put this on, it's not catching. You would need a deeper socket or inset here in order to catch on the threads up here. All right, so I'm gonna have to get my compressor, my heavy-duty compressor, and with the tip that you normally find at the gas stations, and just snap it onto here and pump it up that way. But in this case, due to the damage valve stem here, it's not allowing this to go all the way up here. All right, it's just spinning out right here. All right, so as I draw your attention from that, we're gonna no doubt try that on the other tire just to show you how this thing performs. But what I like about this kit as well, it comes with some extra fuses here for the unit. So it's as if they expect that at some point to kind of go out on you. So should that happen, you have that. And on this side here we have the switch for the flashlight portion of it. All right, so let's take it up to the other tire and show you how that works out. All right guys, so don't despair. Right back at you. So guys, in a perfect world, this is what it should look like. All right, you see how this tip has all the grooves on it. So in a perfect world, that's what happens. All right, and I just left the extender on. Never used it before, never had a reason to. And as you can see, almost immediately shows you what the current tire pressure is. All right, and to get this going, I normally just flip that there, but before that, let's go ahead and switch that off. You can actually go ahead and set the pressure you want it at. In this case, let's leave it at 35. All right, let's go ahead and we'll be back at you. So I just hit that switch right here. Sorry about the noise, but it's doing its thing, and we'll get back with you as soon as this hits our target PSI. Oh, in the meantime guys, and today we are working on the Acura MDX. All right, forgot to mention that. Let's check in. 32.5. Oh, we also went ahead today, started up the Toyota Solara, the Infinity FX35, and the Honda Pilot. They started up, no issues, no jump required. And just like that guys, we're at our target 35. It took it up to 35.5. Let's see what's going to cut it off. Typically when you're disconnecting the from the valve stem here, you normally lose some pressure, so I think it's evening it out right now. Alright, and it just shut it off. Alright. It turned off at 35, but okay, so this is giving you another unit of measurement in bars. Alright, as you can see, 3.7. Alright. That's it, guys. It shuts off once it hit the target PSI. We should be good to go. Alright, so that's how that works. We have a long enough extension cord to take it through the passenger side. Alright. And again, that's Iker, tire inflator, Amazon. Flashlight. So guys, this is the heavy duty compressor I was telling you about. Alright, a little dusty, haven't had to use it much, especially since I've had the portable version. Alright, so should you run into the issue that I described earlier with the other attachment not being able to reach the damaged valve stem threads, you just have to resort to this. Typically these are the ones you'd find at the gas stations, but I have my own here. So basically you just press that on and there's no screwing required. Alright guys, so that's it. That's your way around it until you get that valve stem repaired or replaced. Alright, one key out.